going to use the edge of the building at the Social Security Administration, right here. It's a D-Wave computer on a Boeing satellite because of a D-Wave chip to an MRI microcoil is a dual vis. Okay? For optogenetics. It's 3 times as good. Social Security. A bike here. Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Union Pacific Railroad, Raytheon, corrections government, federal and state, are committing fraud with this equation. She's in the middle of the building. Risk management instead with claims denied my claim because they said doctors aren't responsible. Department of Justice, Federal Communications said that Dr. Hodges is not a federal employee. When USC hospitals are Lansing, UC Davis, Dr. Cross Orthopedics, UC Davis Eye Center is UFC hospitals. Telemedicine is the Navy and the Air Force. Space Systems, Union Pacific Railroad, Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Raytheon. The Federal 95 form is correct for these damages. There's an organic diode and a IOL master. It's not coming out unless they kill me with this. And I guess that's what their intentions are, because they don't want to try to responsibly settle out this difference. So they may go to jail for the attempted murder of my life. And these people should not support these federal agencies until these people are arrested.